Hi, today I would like to introduce to you SYNLETT wireless 2-in-1 call button. The differences between the 2-in-1 call button and the standard call button is the 2-in-1 call button has an extra clear function on the call button here. It allows caregiver or service staff to clear call at the call point instead of reaching back to the central monitoring unit. Caregiver or service staff can just press clear at the call point to clear the specific call. It is just a real step saver. And now I would like to show you how to program the 2-in-1 call button to the central monitoring unit. So firstly, you have to connect power for the central monitoring unit and install battery for each 2-in-1 call button here. And to activate the pairing mode for the initial setup, you have to long press record and add button here, which is at the bottom, until you hear the closing melodic tone. And now you can see the red indicator lights up, and that means the pairing mode is ready. And quickly I grab the first 2-in-1 call button here, and I press the red call button.
Number 1.
To record the first 2-in-1 call button to the system until you hear the closing melodic tone. You can pick up the second 2-in-1 call button. Press the red call button as well.
Number 2.
Now you can see the second 2-in-1 call button has been paired to the system as well. And I just simply press clear to exit pairing mode. The 2-in-1 call button, it does not require to pair the green clear button here. It automatically recognizes which call button the call comes from. Now after pairing the 2-in-1 call buttons to the CMU, let's test if they work properly. Now I press the first 2-in-1 call button. I press the call once.
Number 1.
You can see number 1 has been shown on the monitoring unit screen.
Number 1.
Now I pick up the second one to activate the second calling button.
Number 2.
Number 2, the second 2-in-1 call button has been paired to the
Number 2.
CMU successfully. Now I'd like to clear the second 2-in-1 call button by pressing the green clear button here.
Number 2.
Now number 2 has been cleared. I would like to clear the first call button
Number
too.
1.
And I'm pressing the green button here. Now you can see 2-in-1 call button has been cleared from the CMU. And for those of you, I'm sure many of you who are not setting up the SYNLETT wireless call system the very first time, and you would like to pair additional call buttons to the system. To pair additional 2-in-1 call button, you have to press replace and add button here, long press until you hear the closing melodic tone. And then quickly press record and add button at the bottom. And now you can see the last 2-in-1 call button number shown on the screen here. After hearing the closing melodic tone, you can pick up the third 2-in-1 call button here. Press the red call button.
Number 3.
Now the third 2-in-1 call button has been paired to the monitoring unit. And now I just want to press clear to exit the pairing mode. This is the instructional video for the 2-in-1 call button. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.